This young, exciting home, designed for indoor and outdoor living with so many extra features. Welcome to 15 Noah Court.
I am a queen of action. You'll be a fine distraction. Watching my drama, watching my drama, twisting until we
It's as modern as tomorrow. The layout is flawless. You have your children's retreat, comprising of 3 bedrooms, their own family room and their own bathroom. The master suite with the walk-in robe and ensuite, plus the bonus powder room. You have a 5-burner cooktop with your own butler's pantry.
And I look in their eyes and I lower my voice now. I just ace your game.
With a beautiful outdoor kitchen and a backyard like this, who needs to go to the park? Everything you need is right here.